morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today, well, I am just here to create, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to paint, but that's how it is sometimes, you know? Thing is, I know I want to paint, so here I am. And this is yellow ochre, and I like to use it to cover my paper. I often do. This is just a regular hardware store brush. I'm not really a tool person. You know, I use whatever feels good. Really, to be honest with you. So, I have a lot of things in my shop, like palette knives and what have you. I want to make some marks and try to get loosened up. And we'll see where it goes. This is a mixture of blue and black and white, and I have it on a piece of watercolor paper, and I'm actually painting on watercolor paper. This is a palette knife here. This is a small palette knife. And I'm just basically scribbling it, you know? Scribbling it. I kind of see maybe an abstract painting emerging, possibly. I like the colors. I have on here dark blue, black, white, and yellow ochre right now. And there'll be a tool and supply list in the video description. I'm gonna grab a brayer. This is a brayer, and they make really nice textures. And see, just beautiful textures. Colors and mixing colors. Really like it. Ooh. White paint coming in from. And I love this, like, using the side of the roller. Create little textures and lines and markings. And pretty, you know. Sometimes it's just nice to just mess with it and mess with the colors and play with it and actually do that before you start painting, so that you can kind of get loosened up. Like a few minutes before the painting, I just started scribbling on a piece of paper. So just loosen myself up because I haven't painted in several hours. So I'm just playing around and mixing. With some blue, mixing up here. Still kind of just playing right now, but you know, still got a landscape in mind. pretty colors. So far I have not waited for the paint to dry. All this time the paint has been quite wet. And I'm just taking the paint off here. You see, I'm just scraping it off here. And I'm just applying it like a butter knife. Now what I'm going to do is, I think I'll use my fingers actually and just kind of smooth this out a bit. Fingers are the best. They are the best at, just kind of create a real smooth, soft surface like that. That's kind of fun, huh? Since everything is wet, let's see if we can have some fun. Oh yeah, I kind of like that, huh? That's a really simple little tree. Really, free falling, you can see that it's really, really very simple, and it's just pretty and fun. And yeah, that's my signature. Yeah, it was nice. I like it. So that's just a simple abstract tree painting. And this is what I teach on my channel, is how to paint and sculpt and do various art projects. And I try to make it obtainable for the regular person, for the normal person that may or may not be an artist, or may not consider themselves to be an artist. But I do believe that people have an innate ability to make. We are makers. Human beings are makers. So, yeah. If you like this kind of content, I'd like 500 painting and sculpting tutorials on my channel. And please subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload. And please give the video a like, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. Tell me both where you're coming from and what you think of the video. And yeah. Oh yeah, send me a picture of what you make. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see what my tutorials are producing for my students, so please consider that. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and have a great day. Bye-bye.